Hello everyone, welcome to Keystone Landing and happy 4th of July weekend. This weekend, we're taking over Keystone Landing and it's gonna be the Busch Light Landing. Let's go! We got some good things planned for the weekend. Stand by. All right folks, let's kick the weekend off with a bang, with a can-do review. They have conveniently labeled the outhouses number 1 and number 2. So let's take a little peek at what's going on in number 1 here. All right, spacious. Let's just get right into it. Ladies and gentlemen, I think we have our first 2-ply review, and that is can-do approved. Toilet, we are obviously on top of a vault. Big door, we have our Purell hand sanitizer. Check this lock out. I don't think a bear is coming through that, but right on. So there, we've got the clear roof, adequate lighting. Don't know how that's gonna work in the dark, but hey, right on. Number 1 is looking pretty good. And there you have it. Number 1 is can-do approved. See you in a minute.
Another can-do approved moment brought to you by the 4th of July weekend. Happy birthday, America. Woo! Woo! Busch Latte. Peeker.
That one's on standby. We got that one right here. And let's go. Let's go. All right. This can-do approved moment is brought to you by PBR Hard Coffee. Get yours today, folks. Wait, what? Spring water? What are you trying to do? Sabotage. There it is. There it is. We'll see you on the next one. Welcome back, folks, to another can-do approved moment brought to you by Busch Light and the Griddle. What do we got going on? We got the sausage egg yolks. We call those the sunflower patties. We kept the egg whites over here. We got some tomato, onion, yellow pepper, red pepper, and that's all she wrote. Another can-do approved moment brought to you by Busch Light. Let's go. Happy 4th. This can-do approved moment is brought to you by Busch Light and John Deere. What? Would you look at it? Just look at it. Pizzas on the griddle. Let's go. Can-do approved. This can-do approved moment is brought to you by Can-Do Prospecting Tools. Get yours today. We have your 1/8" classifier, your rake, your shovel, and of course, your pan. And don't tell me it doesn't work, because look at all that black sand in there, folks. Get yours today. It is can-do approved. Well, folks, happy 4th of July. And this will conclude the Can Do approved weekend. We are home now. And remember, folks, think outside. No box required. And that is Can Do approved. Thanks for watching.